Hi, welcome to Bob Harper Jukebox Restoration Southwest, and here we got a little bit something a bit different, not a jukebox, a little dansette record player. Although saying something different, I have done 2 of these in the last couple of weeks. It seems to go like that, doesn't it? Anyway, it's all done. It came into me, so I've recapped the amp. I fit a new mains lead on it, 3-core mains lead and a new plug, put a new stylus in it, serviced the mech because it wasn't cycling properly. What else have I done to it? Oh, a new cartridge holder. It was broken. Thank you, Ian, for that. So yeah, he's all ready to go. Just a quick demonstration now then. So he's on at the moment. Volume, that's full volume, absolutely no hum on it whatsoever. Now that it's sorted, it was humming quite badly before. And the volume.
I'm coming home, I've done my time. Now I've got to know what is and isn't mine. Oh, magic rhythm, lend me a spell. We'll drink a drink to Lily the pink, the pink, the pink, the savior of the human race, for she invented medicinal pole.
Okay, so just a quick demonstration, just so you can see everything works as it should. It'll come back to stop now, which it wasn't doing before. And you can see the spin down on the turntable now. Bearings all done, all nice and free. Lovely spin down on it. So yeah, all done, ready to go back. Okay, thanks a lot for watching.